Imagine having $1,000 in your savings account by the end of this month. Let's say you're working hard as a young professional, and it seems like every paycheck just disappears into thin air: bills, groceries, entertainment. I'm looking at you, Netflix subscription. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of overspending, but where do you even start? For me, it all started with my lack of clear financial information. I'd try to stick to a budget, but somehow money just always seemed to slip through our fingers. I remember feeling like such a failure every time I got behind on bills or broke my savings target. It was like trying to catch a fish. No matter how hard I tried, I just couldn't seem to land it. So here's the thing, most people don't know their exact daily spending allowance. We're all guilty of overspending at some point or another. But what if you could have control over that? What if you knew exactly how much money you had available to spend each day, every day? That's where the Kivvy app comes in. It might sound simple, having a clear idea of your daily spending limit after bills and savings, but trust me, it's a game changer. And with Kivvy, you can get there with ease. Let's take my friend Sarah as an example. She earns $2,800 per month, has $1,600 in bills each month, and wants to save $200 per month. But if she doesn't know her daily spending limit, she'll be constantly guessing how much money is available for the day. So what does Kivvy do? It shows you your safe to spend number, how much you can spend today after bills and savings are covered, and monthly savings target are set aside. In this example, Sarah's safe to spend number would show her $1,000 per month. That's it. And when she opens the app, she sees her bills screen with all her recurring expenses with due dates. She ticked off each expense as she paid it, no fuss, no stress. Next up is the savings goal screen. This is where Kivvy really shines. By setting a target and time frame, you can accurately determine how much money needs to be saved each month. For Sarah, her savings goal would show her $200 per month. And with Kivvy's help, she knows exactly what that means: no more guessing games. Here's an example of what the savings goal screen might look like. Safe to spend, $1,000. Bills screen. Rent, $600. Groceries, $300. Entertainment, $100. Savings goal, $200 per month. Kivvy also shows you the progress towards your goal, a countdown timer that lets you see how close you are. And when it comes to analytics, Kivvy provides valuable insights into your spending habits. You can see exactly where money is going in real time, and make adjustments as needed. For example, safe to spend, $1,000. Bills screen. Rent, $600. Groceries, $300. Entertainment, $100. Savings goal, $200 per month. Analytics. Spending cycle progress, 30 days, mostly on time. Payday countdown, in 2 weeks. Savings bar, 25% savings rate achieved. Real scenario. Let's say Sarah has a similar financial situation. She earns $2,800 per month, with $1,600 in bills and $200 saved each month. Kivvy shows her safe to spend number would be $1,000 per month. As she opens the app, she sees her bills screen with all her recurring expenses. Tick those off as she pays. Next up is the savings goal screen. This shows how much money needs to be saved each month to reach their target. Kivvy also provides a clear path forward, a savings plan that takes into account their current financial situation and goals. Finally, here's what Sarah can expect from Kivvy. Safe to spend, $1,000. Bills screen. Rent, $600. Groceries, $300. Entertainment, $100. Savings goal, $200 per month. Analytics. Spending cycle progress, 30 days, mostly on time. Payday countdown, in 2 weeks. Savings bar, 25% savings rate achieved. Real scenario. By the end of this month, Sarah's safe to spend number would be $1,000. She'd have saved an additional $200, a significant achievement. And with Kivvy's guidance, she knows exactly what that means, no more guessing games. That's it for today's crash course on financial discipline. I hope you've learned something new and valuable. If you're struggling to get your finances in order, remember, knowing your daily spending limit can be the key to taking control of your money. Now go out there and crush your savings goals, or at least not lose sleep over them. Download Kivvy free on Google Play here. https://play.google.com/store/apps/details?ID=com.kivvy.app. And that's a wrap. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.